Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using cashback rewards with Rakuten, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Rakuten website or download the mobile app. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the homepage to see featured stores and current cashback offers. To find specific retailers, use the search bar at the top. Click on a retailer to view the cashback percentage and any special promotions. Before making a purchase, click the Shop Now button to be redirected to the retailer's website. Add items to your cart on the retailer's site as you normally would. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. After the transaction, return to Rakuten to track your cashback earnings. Be sure to check the cashback status, which may take some time to process. You can also refer friends to Rakuten for additional cashback rewards. To redeem your cashback, reach the minimum payout threshold, which is typically $5.01. Once eligible, choose your payment method, either through PayPal or a check. Monitor your account regularly for new cashback opportunities and promotions. Consider utilizing the browser extension for instant cashback alerts while shopping. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings through Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.